PICA Plásticos Industriales, located just outside of Quito, is Ecuador's leading manufacturer of plastic injection molding. The company operates 5 production plants and employs more than 1,000 people. Its product portfolio covers different markets, including the production of toys, shoes, household, and industrial products.
Technology Evaluation Centers, TEC, a world leader in impartial software evaluation and selection, help PICA choose the best ERP system specific to its needs, as well as select an experienced local implementer. TEC's detailed ROI analysis highlighted and quantified the areas where the new ERP would help PICA achieve financial gains. I was at an event for IT managers and asked some of my colleagues if they knew of a company that could provide impartial and objective software selection services. I contacted TEC thanks to the recommendation of one of their former clients. We knew that the product we chose would work well for us. TEC's expertise, as presented in Tech Advisor, documented each step along the way. We created the requirements and rated solutions based on how the new ERP would fit into our processes. It didn't matter to us whether the product was small, medium, or large. What mattered was whether it would fit with PICA. Finding a local implementer who could partner with us for the long term was the natural next step. We didn't need a world-class solution, we needed the best solution for us. For more information, please contact us. We are Technology Evaluation Centers.